so proud, proud. I hear them talking about us. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can hear them thinking out loud. I just wanna ball. I just wanna ball. I just wanna ball. I just wanna ball. I just wanna ball making plays.
Hey y'all, and welcome to another vlog. I am up on this lovely cold Sunday morning. I'm here at Planet Fitness. Y'all, I had my hair in a ponytail last night. And of course, I straightened it the other day, as you guys can tell. But you know, sometimes that don't mean nothing. Anyway, so I'm here at Planet Fitness. I'm being accountable for myself. I was supposed to go with my coworker yesterday, but then she changed her plans. Once again, as I said before, my plans do not depend on anyone else's. So here I am on a new 7-day streak. I'm starting off the gym here on a Sunday. And I'm about to figure out what other 2 days this week I'm going. I got my ear pods. I got my glasses cloth, my chapstick just in case. And of course I got my old wallet. So I won't come to the gym without it because sometimes you be working out and doing stuff. So my plan is to go in here, do the treadmill for about 30 minutes to an hour. And then basically just go back home. Then again, who knows? I might end up in Dick's as it's right next door. So come on in the gym with me, y'all.
And for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep.
All right, y'all, so I'm out of the gym. I had every intention on just doing, and I ended up doing a whole hour, and I left my damn keys inside. They must have fell out. Let me go get my keys. So yeah, I knew I dropped my keys inside. I had to go back and get them. I'm gonna get ready to I'm gonna get ready to run over here to Dick's really quickly, because I don't know. Y'all know when I come over here and I want like another cup. So, whew, boy, that was a workout. All right, y'all, I don't know what they got going on, but Planet Fitness is right there. And Public Landing and Dick's Sporting Goods is right there. But it looks like they are renovating or redoing public lands. Oh my God, I love that blue. Oh, they got some new colors in here, y'all. All right, so these are the new ones. These are only 25. So y'all, this is, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Y'all know I told you before they got the bottle boots. They come in different sizes, like these ones are the 24 ounce, which is what mostly me and Chuck have. And then they have 32 ounce right there and bigger. All right, what the world's going on? Okay. All right, I'm out of Dick's Sporting Goods. Getting ready to get in the car. Listening to people call. What in the world? All right, y'all. So let me show y'all what I got real quick. They got some new cups. So I got this one, and I got this pink one, and then I got 2 bottle boots. I got one for Charles, one for myself. All right, got a lot of pizzas in the oven. I'm getting in the show. All right, y'all, so I got 2 boxes. I got 2 boxes from Amazon. Let's just see what's in them. If Charles cut that shit down, I could do something. All right, y'all, so we got a small box. Let's start with this one. In this one, there is this, and this. So let's start with this. This is a wireless 2-in-1 adapter that I was given for a sponsorship. So I'll do that as a total different video. I have some mini drops. These are banana and cherry flavored. These are for Mr. Burrito. Y'all know Mr. Burrito. He fat. He like these little things. So they're only $3.99 on Amazon. Got me another phone case, but this phone case has the magnetic thing because y'all, when you buy these cases, who said I wanted it to be like black? Looks gross. I didn't buy it black. I bought it pink, and you know, with it being in my pocket, in my purse and all that stuff, half the time it turns colors. So anyways, like I said, I bought a new one. So I have blue and purple. And this time it has the thing out on the side, unlike this one that I have to basically pull open. So anyways, new phone case. And then I also bought me a book. This is called My Fault. This is a 3-part selection that you guys can get. You can get My Fault, Our Fault, but anyways, you guys can check these movies out on Prime. They are simply called they're called Kupla. Anyways, y'all, they're all 3 of them right here. I can't remember what they're exactly called, but the book is nice and thick. And this is about a 17-year-old girl, Noah, who lives a quiet, normal life with her mother in Toronto until her mom meets and marries a man named William, who's a wealthy and enigmatic lawyer from California, y'all. And then that she finds herself moving from LA, leaving her volleyball team, her best friend, and her boyfriend behind. So, good book. Anyways, I bought this shirt to match my shoes that Charles got me for my birthday. This is just a long sleeve. If I can ever get it out the package, I can show you. So yeah, this is just a long sleeve shirt that I bought that I would wear on our trip next month. So I went ahead and got that, as that shirt was only like $15–16. Alright, so we're moving on to the next package. The next one is our bigger one, and I cannot remember, y'all, what else I had ordered. So when you open it up, in here is, I don't know. Anyways, we have the small bedding for Mr. Burrito. This is the one that I get every month. It's like $8.99 on Amazon. Then we also got him some natural snacks. These are just simply like some dried up carrots, green like leaves, flowers, strawberries, and roses. Yeah, so this was only like $3.99 too, because he's her pet, not mine. Let's see. I also got a car charging thing, because the one that's in my car now is for regular USB, you know, like for the iPhones that are older. But now that I have the iPhone 16, I need USB-C, so I did get that. It comes with a cord as well, so that I can go ahead and hook it up. This is $8.99, and like I said, charge my phone up in the car. Alright, so there's just two more items in here, and it is this. This is a little 17-piece pack travel bottle set. This was about $7 or $8. There's some really cute colors. It comes with, you know, like the little labels that you can put on the bottles. Different bottles, light colors. Comes with a little mist button. I mean, a spray bottle. Another spray bottle for like, who knows. And then you have like your other ones, and then your little 4 containers. And then, like I said, it comes with something where you can clean it out with. Last but not least, even though the other part obviously didn't ship out yet, and that's okay. I'm guessing that will pop up later through Amazon, because I did order a new vacuum and it's not in this one. So like I said, it might still be on the truck and they'll just have to whip back around. But then again, I'll check into it in just a second. So I've been liking my Owalas, but I said that it was time to just at least say that I tried one Stanley. So I did the all blue one, the light blue and the dark blue at the bottom, has the handle. And I don't think that this is one that I will really care for, because you know I like my Owalas. But this one's a flip straw tumbler. It holds cold things in here for 12 hours. It holds iced for 2 days. So I don't know, we'll test it out and see which one I feel like is better. It's stainless steel, it's a double wall vacuum insulation, leak proof flip straw, and it's easy to carry with a handle, dishwater safe, dishwasher I meant. So I don't know, but we shall see. I don't know, y'all. I was checking the status of my vacuum and it's only showing that it has been ordered. It's not showing that it shipped, and it's saying that it's supposed to be delivered today. But if it's not, then I'm definitely just going to cancel it and buy one in store somewhere later this week, because that's just ridiculous. But we shall see. It is 5:10 in the afternoon. Still light outside for right now. I got the meatballs done. I'm making some basmati rice with that for meal prep for the week. But meanwhile, I'm gonna get ready to make these pork chops and some riblet little things I got from Trader Joe's. All right, y'all. Dinner was good. I'm not making anything sweet for dinner tonight. I meal prep for work tomorrow, so kudos to me. I just made some basmati rice with the Greek meatballs using turkey meat. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready to make me one of these little boba kits at home. I got this from Trader Joe's for about $5. Comes in a pack of 4. And of course, get ready to put trash in the car so we can take that tomorrow. But I am in the mood for something sweet. I just don't know what it's gonna be. But it is what it is. I'll catch you guys in the next vlog.